Alright, today we're going to be putting a oil catch can on a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT 3.5 EcoBoost V6 twin turbo. And to start off, we're going to take off the plastic. And there's two 10mm bolts, well, nuts. One here, and then it lifts straight up and pulls towards you, and then straight out. And this is the oil catch can right here. That's going to be what we're putting on. We're going to take this hose off, and then we're going to drill a hole, and then we're going to take this snap out. I'll get back to you once I get the hose off and get it ready to get situated.
These are going to be the two locations that you're going to take off in order to plug in your oil catch can. In order to get this, you're going to take this clip and you're going to push it up and then out towards this way, and then wrap this around. So you're going to go up here and around. Once you're in this location, it should pop right off. Alright, so for this to mount, we have this mounting bracket here. It's going to be going right here where this wire is. So first you'll have to pull this wire out. I just used some needle-nose pliers and pulled this up. And then this is going to be mounting here. In order for us to line up this other hole, you can actually take this and turn it upside down. Use one of these screws that came with the package, and those will give you a good spot for the hole to line up. And you'll take your drill bit and drill this out. So we have our holes drilled out. What you'll use here is these clips here. Slide them over to get them into place. Once those are in place, you can put this here and put on, slide on your screws. You got this mounted up. We actually need another hole in order for this to go back and lock into the plastic here. So what we're going to do is drill out another hole here, and then we'll get this mounted up so it's still safe and secure.
And now the wire won't flop around.
Yeah, perfect. To know the direction, what you can do is line these hoses up. You'll notice that one is longer than the other. So the longer the hose will go into this front port, and the short hose will go into the back, and we'll keep this mounted just like this with the two screws that came in the box. So once you have this mounted up on the top, the last step here is going to be to put these hoses on. All you have to do is line it up and press them on, and they'll snap into place.
Just route the hoses the best that suits your application, and put the cover back on and bolt her down. Two 10mm nuts, and everything's done. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Thanks. Have a good day.